court judge under fire tonight, accused of using social media to put public pressure on two judges involved in one of her child custody cases. One of those judges is Dawn Amaker, now her opponent and the incumbent in the race for the 22nd Judicial District Family Court seat. But Nanine McCool says she's simply standing up for her clients. As North 2 reporter Heath Allen shows us, though, McCool's actions could derail her campaign.
So when the courts themselves fail to do what they've been entrusted to do, where else do you go but to the people?
Mandeville attorney Nanine McCool in Baton Rouge to appear before a disciplinary board facing a one-year suspension of her right to practice law. A similar panel had called for the penalty after hearing a complaint filed against McCool back in 2011. McCool had taken to social media criticizing the actions of two judges, Deborah Gambrell from Mississippi and Family Court Judge Dawn Amaker in St. Tammany, now McCool's opponent in a family court judge's race. Both judges had been involved in a child custody case McCool was handling, a case in which there were allegations of abuse.
The assumption is that the mother is lying, so they will not allow the mother to put on her evidence of abuse. They characterize it as something else.
Using social media, McCool appealed to the public to contact the judges directly, included the judges' phone numbers, and even included an online petition.
I never called either of the judges' names. I never attacked them personally. I said, please look at the evidence and apply the law before you do this.
Lawyers don't have the ability to take on difficult causes and don't have the ability to speak truth to power. We're in a mighty big fix.
This past June, a disciplinary panel found McCool had violated rules of professional conduct, engaging in, quote, conduct prejudicial to the administration of justice. The Dawn Amaker campaign released a statement after the hearing on Thursday saying McCool published blatantly false, misleading, and inflammatory information about Judges Amaker and Gambrell designed to intimidate and to influence the judges' future rulings in pending litigation. The statement said further, her conduct is outrageous and must not go unchallenged. But McCool maintains her job is to protect the rights of her clients, especially where child abuse may be involved. Is social media the way to go?
What other option did we have? I was willing to do whatever I needed to do to protect these children.
She calls the action against her now political.
It had been pending for 2 years, and then a week after I publicly announced I would run, I was served with formal charges.
Once the disciplinary board issues its recommendation, it will be up to the state Supreme Court to decide whether to suspend Nanine McCool. A decision could take weeks. On your side on the North Shore, Heath Allen, WDSU News.
Nanine McCool's camp also questions the use of campaign money by Judge Amaker to pay for lawyers representing her in this matter. The Amaker campaign calls the use of the campaign money appropriate.